Hey, what's up, guys? I think this is a little bit better view. You can see me straight. It was hanging up there, but I got the mic right in front of me, so hopefully you guys can hear me a little bit better. The microphone's a lot clearer, and that would be my phone. A pro would have their phone off. I know. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you all are staying safe. Thank you guys for the continued support. I appreciate it. Tonight we're gonna go ahead and review a beard company that's no stranger to the beard game. Little company goes by the name of Zeus Beard. Stay tuned after the intro and we'll get right into it. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. As I said before the intro, this company is no stranger to the beard world. The company is called Zeus. They're out of I can't remember, we're out of California, Costa Mesa, I think. Either way, they sent me a care package in the mail. I put my it wasn't really an unboxing, but I posted a photo up of everything they sent. This video we're going to go over the grooming tools, which would be the brush and the awesome comb that they sent me. Before we get into that though, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you liked the video at the end, make sure you hit that thumbs up as well. We'll go over the comb last. That happens to be, as of right now, my favorite comb to use. It's just an awesome looking comb. But the first thing we'll do is the brush. And as you can see, got a nice little label, 100% boar bristle brush. And I would say that the bristles on this are about a medium firmness. It's quite comfortable. Oh, I didn't even know they sent that. Check that out. Sent a little bag in to put the brush in. I didn't even know it was in there. How about that? I wouldn't consider it pocket size. It's about, I don't know, a notch and a half, 2 notches up from being a pocket size. But as you can see, it's got a nice finish on it. The bristles are nice. I have been using this. Got some hairs on it. But overall, like I said, it's about a medium bristle. And if I'm not looking at you guys, I'm looking at my monitor right here to make sure this focus is right. It's a really nice brush. Does what it's supposed to do, you know, just like any brush. Again, that was Zeus. I think I used these products, not these particular products, but their products back in the day when I first started growing a beard. And I can't remember what the name of the oil was. But I don't think I liked the scent profile when I used it at that time. But this time, it's a nice vanilla rum, and I'll explain to you guys a little bit better in that review. But like I said, we're just doing the grooming products for now. And of course, put that back in your handy dandy bag, and you're ready to go. Now, this comb. When I show you this, guys, when I show you the box, you understand. But this is an 8-inch sandalwood curved comb, and the presentation is awesome. Comes in a nice box. As you can see, they did a great job of denting that up pretty good. I opened the box, and it's got a nice case with it, which I thought was a good touch. I really like the case. It just, you know, that to me that means a lot. It's they're detailed. You know, some of you it might not matter, but I know for me that really does matter. Nice Zeus logo. And check this out, guys. This thing is awesome. And as you can see where I've been using it. It's got their logo right. Oh, too close. Right there. Like I said, you can see where I've been using it. But this is 8 inches, and it just glides right through the beard. I like the shape of it because on a standard comb, you know, it's hard to explain, but to me, you can just grab this and it just goes with the flow of your motion, if that makes sense. And as you can see, it just glides right through the beard. Like, this has definitely become my favorite comb to use. And I can't wait till the patina starts on it of just using it over and over. And when you're done, just pop it right back in the bag and go on your merry way. This will be one review of, I think I'm going to do 2 or 3. I'll probably do 2 more. I'll do the oil review, and then I'll do the conditioner and the beard wash after the oil. So this will be a 3-parter. I like doing 3-parters because it spreads, you know, the promotions out for you guys and people wanting to know. That maybe the people don't like watching a long video, which I don't blame you. I'll just get these 3 videos in, bang them out, and get all the information out to you guys. As usual, all the links will be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not. Giveaway coming up very soon, I promise you guys. It's funny because I got the big box, my personal giveaway, right there, and you guys can't see it. It's loaded full of good stuff, guys. I assure you that. But thank you for all the continued support. You guys are awesome. Till the next review, peace. See if I can do this.